A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Question. If one branch broke off a tree where it went upon and drop a ground, you think it can still bear fruit? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share it with all of your friends. And by the way, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you no miss none of what are going on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news as gone to John chapter 15 from verse 1 to verse 17. Me, I want tree. The real tree where good fruit grow upon. And my father at the gardener will look after a tree. Him broke off for me all of the limb them will no bear fruit. And him trim up the limb them with bear fruit so that them can bear more. Who no get trim up already. And I sitting them when me tell you no, make that happen. Turn with me and me will turn with uno. One branch can't bear fruit on its own. It have to turn on the tree. A same way, uno nago can bear fruit if uno not turn with me. Me are the tree, uno are the limb them. Every limb we are part of me, and when me a part of, them bear no fruit. Uno can't do one thing without me. If somebody not turn for me, then come in like the limb them we get fling away and then dry up. People pick up them limb there, fling them in a fire and burn them up. If uno turn for me, and if when me say turn in a uno, ask for anything uno want, and uno we get it. When uno bear no fruit and show say uno a female follower, that way there, my father get enough respect. Me love uno just like how my father love me. Not turn away from the love when me have for uno. If uno do what me tell uno to do, then uno now go turn away from the love me have for uno. Same like how me do what my father tell me to do, and not turn away from the love we him have for me. Me tell uno all of them sitting here. So uno we glad in our heart. Same like how me glad in a for me. This year, I want uno to do. Love uno one another. Same like how me love uno. The best way somebody can show say they love them friend, I fi give up them life for them. If uno do me tell uno to do, then me and uno a friend. Me nah call uno servant no more. Cause servant no know their master business. Me a call uno my friend. Cause me make uno know about everything my father teach me. I know uno pick me. And me pick uno. And put uno one side for bear no fruit. The kind of fruit we're gonna last forever. When that happen, my father went gonna anything uno ask for. Cause uno am a follower. And that's what me and me a tell uno to do. Love uno one another. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.